baby. Who do you want to play with?
Sean.
Who do you want to play with?
Sean.
But where is he?
Look.
He's at work. Do you have a cookie for him? Show me the cookie you made for Sean. Is that the cookie you made? Can I taste it? Or is it just for Sean? It's for Sean. Can you tell Sean hi? Say hi, Sean. You blow him a kiss?
Mama.
See, I want to play. What do you want to do with Sean?
Wow.
Ball. You want to play with your ball. Okay, but Sean has to get off of where? Where is he?
Look.
Work. Okay, well, as soon as he's done with work, you guys can play, okay? Okay, give him a kiss. Bye-bye. Give him a kiss.
Mama.
Aw, good girl.
Bye.
Bye.